Dave here, Wellness and Health Promotion Manager at DCare, and again we're answering some of your Ask the Expert questions that came into our forum. So one particular one that came in was about gum recession, and particularly in this kind of lower area, in the kind of anterior in our frontal teeth. And sometimes what the question came in was there's a little bit of pain, a little bit of sensitivity, and they can see that the gum has worn away from the tooth surface. So generally speaking, you need to switch your brush. If you're using a medium toothbrush, we should all be using a soft toothbrush, and in this case, even if you can get what we call a special care or an ultra soft toothbrush, and to use very gentle motions when cleaning around this area. The sensitivity is generally caused because the gum has eroded away, sometimes from different reasons, but sometimes we can be heavy to hand with brushing, can be chemical, can be erosion, and generally the dentine is exposed and it's causing that sensitivity. What you can do in the short term is apply things like desensitizing toothpaste, rub it in with our finger into the gums, and again, every time we take a drink, that's washed off. So sometimes we can carry it in our pocket and keep applying it every time we eat or every time we drink, and it does actually stop that sensitivity happening. But definitely on your next dental visit, talk to your dentist about that area, about that problem, and your dentist or hygienist will advise you on the proper care to take.